Okay, class. In this class, we will discuss about the sentence. Okay, you need to consult with your book. It's better to take your book. Please take your books, students. Page number 4, I think. Find out in your book the sentence. Okay, in sentence, how many elements do we have? We have three elements: subject, verb, and object. Okay, keep it in your mind. And we have studied these subject, verb, and object in that class, in the tenses class. Okay, today we will be doing this thing with the another angle. Okay, sentence. As you guys know that sentence having three elements, sometime more than three elements, but usually we talk about subject plus verb plus object. Okay, but in this class we will be discussing the different thing. We are discussing the different thing. Those are in front of your screen. You can see it. Okay, let me in the other participant. They are two, Hiba Bilal. Okay, subject. Sentence. Right now we are discussing about sentence uh, contains two elements: subject and predicate. Okay, this subject, you know, the doer of an action. Subject may be noun or pronoun, you know that. Okay, predicate. What are the predicate? What is the predicate? We have to know. Okay, we do. You people's need to know that what is predicate. So in this class you will know that. You know that subject in this sentence. Look at this sentence. I highlighted subject he with the green color, with the red color, sorry. And the predicate, the rest of the sentence is in the green color. So the green color I use for the predicate here in this sentence. Red color I use for the subject. How many IDs Hiba Bilal does have? This is the third one. Okay, he is subject, lived in USA. The rest of the sentence is the predicate. Okay, you just, how will you recognize this is the predicate or the subject? So you just need to eliminate the subject from the sentence. The rest of the sentence is the predicate. Okay, keep it in your mind. We are moving forward. This is the chart for the subject. What is subject? As I mentioned, and you know that doer of an action is the subject. Subject may be noun or pronoun. Okay, this is, I have just made a chart over here for you. No, make your ID with your name. Okay, I cannot admit you. Okay, so he, she, it are the pronoun, and they are the third person singular pronoun. Third person singular. He, she, it. When we talk about he, she, it, so they are the third person singular pronoun. And when we talk about the they, so it is they is the third person plural pronoun. Okay, so I use some noun over here, Ahmad. Instead of Ahmad, we can use he. Okay, instead of Sana, Sana is a noun. So I am just mentioning here the subject. Okay, uh, in order to make you understand what are the subject. Okay, you just need to eliminate the subject from the sentence, and you can have then you have the predicate. Ahmad is the noun, and pronoun, its pronoun is he. Sana is the noun, its pronoun is she. Chair is the noun, and its pronoun is it. Ahmad and Ikra, they are plural. Okay, instead of he, she, we will use the they. Okay, these are the third person pronoun we have discussed. Okay, this is the second person singular and plural. You is used for the singular and the plural as well. As now, right now you guys are listening to the lecture, listening to the class, so you is used as the plural. So it is the single, it is the second person plural, and as well as the second person singular pronoun. Okay, I is the pronoun. Okay, it is the first person, and we is the pronoun, it is the first person. But I is the singular first person, we is the plural first person. Okay, right now I'm unmute you. If you have any query, so you can ask, but one by one. Otherwise I will otherwise I will mute you again. Yes, any query till here? You are not following the instruction, guys.
आपने जब कुछ बोलना होता है तो
I mentioned that if you people have any query, so you can ask right now. Okay, you are not having. I think we are moving forward.
देख लिया हो जाता है अब कल
Okay, the sentence. This is the main page of your book. Okay, the language one. I think it would be the page number 3. You can see it, but in the sentence, without sentences, you know that sentences are very important in the precious element of any literature, of any book. Without the sentence, you don't have the book, we don't have the content. Okay, so without sentences, we would have a great deal of difficulty in communication. So with each other, we cannot communicate either in gathering or in class. We cannot communicate without the sentence. So this is the definition of the sentence in red color. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense by itself. Okay. you need to know that sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense by itself. You need to know that, okay? I think you should memorize the definition of the sentence, okay? So let's move forward. In its simplest form, a sentence may be a single word, okay? And it you can say yes, it is the complete sentence. If anyone is asking you for anything else, or you just say yes, so it means that he or she gets the idea, okay? So in its simplest form, a sentence may consist of just a noun and a verb, okay, or even of a single word. This is the complete sentence. The first sentence in blue: fish swim. Okay, this is the complete sentence. Fish is the noun, swim is the verb. Okay, one noun and one verb. Yes, it is the complete sentence. Inventors create. Inventors create. So inventors is the subject, which is noun. Create is the verb. Okay. A sentence has two main parts. Sentence has two main parts called the subject and the predicate. Okay, right now coming to the point. Subject. The first part is called the subject, and the second part is called the predicate. Now you don't have to find out the verb and object. You just need to find out the predicate. Okay, you can easily find it out by saying that after eliminating the subject, you will be having the predicate. Okay, okay, you will be having the predicate. As I have announced that in the prior classes, that I will not allow you guys after 10 o'clock. So still you are sending me request. Why didn't you admit yourself before the end timing? This is the last time I'm taking you in. Follow the rules of the class. You should follow the rules of the class. A sentence has two main parts called subject and the predicate. So I mentioned that if you eliminate the subject from any sentence, so you can have the predicate. Okay, this is the easiest thing you can do. The subject is the part of the sentence which tells us who or what performs the action. Okay, what is subject? Subject is door of an action, and it tells us who or what performs the action. Okay, so you need to know that the word in the subject is usually a noun or a pronoun. Okay, the main word in a subject is usually a noun or pronoun. Okay, subject can be indicated by the noun or pronoun. Whatever is said about the subject is called the predicate, and whatever is said about the subject, okay, what is being said about the subject, okay, so it is called the predicate. The predicate always contains a verb. These are some identification for the predicates and some identification for the subject. You can easily identify through this knowledge, through this information. When you look at the example below, you will notice that the subject of a sentence can be a single word or a group of words, and that the same is true for the predicate. Okay, let's move forward. Explore the subject and the predicate. So this is the exercise. This is the sort of understanding, for making you understand. A publisher has published this thing. Okay, explore subject and predicate. So subject, he lived. He is a subject, while lived is the predicate. Okay, we will be doing okay together this thing. So I'm unmuting you. Okay, this can you see this slide? Explore subject and predicate.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. The look
Yes.
at the first sentence. He lived. Okay. Acha, it is very easiest, I think, to you for you that you can easily find out because I have highlighted the subject with the red color and the green color. Okay, just let's assume that you cannot find it out. Okay, so think yourself. Uh, uh,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, yes, yes.
Sir, is the definition of the sentence is for our help or it will be important for us?
It will be. It is important because you will be uh, having the sentences in your all life. Okay, so you can you
No,
should know.
sir, it's for our help now.
What are you saying? For which sort of help you are talking about?
No, sir, in our real life, it is for help that we can use the sentences with the correct.
Yes. Okay, let's come to the point. Subject and the predicate. In this sentence, can you identify the subject, he?
I found.
Okay, and the predicate, lived.
Lived.
Okay. Second sentence. Any you say the second sentence.
Sir, me?
Yes, you.
Ladislaw Barrow lived Hungary.
Okay, Hungary. Acha, this Ladislaw Barrow is
Subject.
okay, and lived in Hungary.
Predicate.
Predicate. Okay, so this predicate is telling you about the subject. Okay,
Yes.
got it. Anybody else can participate? Wants to participate? Just start reading the third sentence. Third sentence. I'm waiting for you.
Me, sir?
No, anybody else. Rest of the participant I'm talking about. Okay, I myself. Josephine Dixon and her husband were responsible for the invention of the band-aid. Sorry, this is the typing mistake, typing error.
Band acid?
Okay, band-aid. Josephine
Sir,
Dixon and her husband were responsible for the invention of the band-aid. This is the complete sentence I read. Okay, so how can you find it? What is the subject? I highlighted over here. Josephine Dixon,
Josephine and her husband
her husband. This is the subject. And what is the predicate? This is the
were
predicate.
responsible for the
Invention
invention
of the
of the
band-aid. Okay,
band.
so this predicate is telling you about the
Subject.
subject. Okay, so look at the fourth sentence. The grandest scheme of Mr. Patrick was to irrigate the desert of the world. Okay, so this is the subject. The grandest scheme of Mr. Patrick was to irrigate the desert of the world. So
Predict.
this is the
Predicate.
predicate, and this predicate is telling you about the subject. The enraged
Sir, I'm
American.
not getting one thing.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
this the fourth sentence. This is the whole sentence you are just saying.
Whole sentence means
जैसे सर ये एक पूरा सेंटेंस है या फिर
yes.
सर आपने सिर्फ इसके अंदर सब्जेक्ट और प्रीडिकेट निकाले और सही हो दिस इज नॉट द
नहीं,
होल सेंटेंस
देखें this is these all our sentences are completed by themselves. Okay, take any sentence. Okay, take any sentence of yours and just eliminate the subject. Then you will be having the predicate. Okay, can you? Do you have right now in your mind any sentence? Say it now.
No, sir.
No. Say any example, any sentence.
The woman who caused the invention of the band-aid.
The woman.
Who caused the invention of the band-aid?
So,
It's
uh,
just
f-
written in the book at the page number 3.
okay. Find out the subject.
The woman
Okay. The woman and
and the predicate is who
what is the
caused the invention of the
no
band-aid.
who rest after who
After who caused the invention of the band-aid?
you the
It's the predicate.
predicate will start with the verb. Okay.
Oh. सर मतलब ये जब वर्ब के साथ स्टार्ट होता है, so सर दिस इज द
till the
मतलब
end
सर
till
इसकी
the
ये
end
निशानी
Okay,
होती है.
till the end it will be it can carry the object, it can carry the rest of the parts of speech. Okay, but it cannot carry the
Oh,
subject.
okay,
Okay.
sir, I got it.
Okay. The enraged American inventor, this is the this is the subject,
Subject.
stormed out of the room. Storm out of the room,
Predicate.
this is the predicate. Okay. This is the exercise for you. Just have a look on this exercise, and after a while I will mute you, unmute you all guys, and we will discuss. Just let me take your attendance. I'm taking your attendance. Okay. Okay. Running out of time. This is not fair. Okay, this is the predicate highlighted. I have highlighted. I have highlighted here the predicate. So Levi Strauss made the first pair of jeans out of canvas. This is the predicate you can see. Okay, the words in the italic are the predicate, and the words are in the italic is the subject, and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. Levi Strauss is the subject, and made the first pair of jeans is the predicate. Prehistoric man is the subject, created Rob by twisting wines together. This is the predicate. Okay, this exercise you can have in your book, page number the same page. Okay, move forward. Okay, these are the some using the information contained the comprehension passages add predicate to this subject to the form complete sentence. Okay, Ladislas Bureau's friend, we have studied this subject, this passage you can easily do it right now, please.
Can I answer?
Yes, you can answer. Ladislas Bureau's friend, what did they
Call the
say?
idea plain foolishness.
Yes, very good. This is you have completed the second. Ordinary fountain pens, the second one.
Leak at high altitude.
Okay, leaked. This
Sir,
is
leak at
for
high
your
altitude.
participation. Do not make noise, please. Be patient. Very good. The third one.
The basic idea of today's ballpoints is filling the pens with paste like ink.
Okay, the today's basic idea क्या है?
Sir, I think so that it's this is filling the pens
You
with
can
paste like ink.
yes you can say, but the basic idea of today's ball pen किसने दिया था? Who gave it? Was given by the, you can say, you can make in the passive sentence, was given by the Ladislas Bureau.
That is the
Okay,
Okay.
Josephine Dixon.
Married a
Calvin
man.
Dixon married a man who worked for a company that manufactured gauze and adhesive tape called Johnson and Johnson.
But sir, that's too long. We can also write
Yes,
married a man.
yes, Josephine Dixon married.
Married a man.
Okay, married a man who invented the band-aid. Okay,
Band-aid.
okay, Johnson and Johnson.
Heard about the new bandages.
Okay, they invented, they gave a brand to the band-aid. Okay, you can say that, and they manufacture the band-aid. Okay, you can say it. Okay, look at this and all the words, the phrases. These all are the subjects. Okay,
Yes.
you need to put the predicate. Okay, and you need to complete this sentence by adding the predicates. Okay, Hubert Cecil Booth. Okay,
Sir, he got the idea from a man who almost invented the vacuum cleaner.
yes, you can say was the inventor of the vacuum cleaner. Okay, you can
Okay.
say it. Okay, this is the complete sentence. The American inventor's machine. Yes,
Comprised a box about 1 foot square with a bag on top.
good, very good. A network of giant pea shooter. A network of giant pea shooters. Just look at Mr. Patrick. I think it was Mr. Patrick, whose all the invention was useless. Okay, so his this idea is also the useless. You can say that our network of giant pea shooters was
Useless.
Idea was useless.
okay. Very good. Okay, move forward. This is the exercise you have to do in your book. Okay, this is
Okay.
the these are the for matching the column. These are the proverbs, and these are the proverbs. In the first column, you are having subject. In the second column, you are having the predicate. Just you need to match the column. The early bird.
Match. Sir,
Catches the worm.
Okay, let's give me a time.
catches the worm.
Yes, catches. I am showing the answer to you, okay, which I have made for you.
Sir, please first let us answer.
Yes, I am.
sir, please.
Okay, you can.
Thank you.
Okay. The early bird.
Catches the worm.
Okay. Catches the worm. The second absence.
Has a silver. No. Makes the heart grow fonder.
Makes the heart grow fonder. Good. Many hands. Many
Make
hands.
light work.
Make light work. Okay. A drowning man. The fourth one, the drowning man. Look at the predicate second last.
Will clutch at a straw.
Will clutch at a straw. Okay. Familiarity.
Breeds contempt.
Good. Very good. Okay. The next one, necessity.
Is the mother of invention.
Good. Very good. Too many cooks.
Spoil the broth.
Spoil the broth. Okay. Birds of a feather.
Flock together.
Very good. Very good. Never brooms.
Sweep clean.
Sweep cleans. New broom. Sorry, not never. New broom. Sweep cleans. Every cloud.
Has a silver lining.
Very good. Very good. That's amazing. You guys participated amazingly. Okay, we are moving forward. These all are the right answers you have given. Okay, missing subjects. These are some subjects which you have been given. These are some devices. Okay, you need to find out. Okay, the dash is an instrument used for listening to heart.
Stethoscope.
Okay.
Stethoscope.
Very good. Very good. Write down in your book. Stethoscope. Okay. The second one,
The compass.
the compass. The third one, so please do not say the answer. Please say completely. We are having the time. Yes. The dash is an instrument for observing the movement of the stars. What?
Telescope.
Telescope.
Is an instrument for
Telescope.
Very good. Very good. Right one. The number 4. The dash is an instrument for examining tiny
microscope,
microscope. Very good. The microscope is an instrument. Okay. Measuring
Then, sir, the
object.
fifth one, the
Barometer.
thermometer.
Thermometer.
Measuring tape.
Measuring ये ऊपर नीचे हो गया हमसे. Measuring object. This is not. What is?
Sir, thermometer.
It is not object. It is the temperature. Okay.
Yes.
It is the temperature.
And so the answer is the thermometer.
The thermometer. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
This is, thermometer. Okay, dash is an instrument for amplifying and directing the voice. Yes.
Telegraph.
Megaphone.
Megaphone. It's amplifying. It's increases your sound. So amplifying the sound. We can amplify. You can
Megaphone.
amplifying your sound by the megaphone. Okay. The seventh one.
The barometer is an instrument.
The
for use
barometer,
for
okay.
measuring
Yes, barometer is an
Barometer.
instrument of measuring atmosphere of temperature. It's not barometer,
Temperature.
it's barometer. It's barometer, okay? Not barometer.
Okay.
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 Eighth one. Dash is an instrument for recording and measuring earthquakes.
Seismograph. Seismograph.
Okay. Seismograph. Very good. Ninth one. The dash is an instrument for viewing its surface from the water.
Periscope.
Periscope. Okay. The dash is an instrument for sending message places.
Telegraph.
Telegraph. Okay. You have